In this video, we are talking about how to safely help your child crawl down the stairs. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, a pediatric physical therapist, and on this channel, we help proactive parents help their babies move better. Think of me as your pediatric physical therapy bestie, here to help you learn how to help your babies move with confidence and ease. In today's video, we are talking about how to help your baby safely go down the stairs. This is a big milestone for parents because it can be a little bit nerve-wracking, right? We want to keep safety at the top priority. A lot of parents struggle with, well, what if our kiddos need a little bit of help during this task, and how can I best support them? A lot of parents want to know when they should expect this milestone to occur in their own child. Crawling up the stairs is actually a little bit earlier than crawling down the stairs. One would think maybe they would happen at the same time because you need to crawl up and then down the stairs by yourself, but that's just not quite how development happens. Now, that doesn't mean if your baby is showing signs of crawling up the stairs, but they are struggling crawling down the stairs, that you shouldn't just jump right in with these tools in this video and help them crawl down the stairs supported while they learn how to put all of those pieces together to do it themselves. Crawling up the stairs, of course, is a range. The age you're gonna look for crawling up the stairs is anywhere from 9 months to about 14 months. The sweet spot for crawling up the stairs is around that 11 to 12 month range. Crawling down the stairs is gonna be a little bit later. You're looking at anywhere from kind of 10 months to about 16 months. The sweet spot for crawling down the stairs is around that 11 to 12 month range. You might see a baby crawl up the stairs independently or with a little bit of support around the 11 to 12 month range, and then still need some help up into the 12 to 13 month range. Babies, as long as they are showing progress in this skill, even if you need to give them a little bit of support, that's totally fine. Some parents, though, really want to know, okay, if my kiddo is not showing signs of progress with this, or they're a little bit on that older age, when should I be concerned or take action if my child is not independently crawling down the stairs yet? My biggest advice is, if you have any concerns at all, make sure that you call a pediatric physical therapist or pediatric physiotherapist in your area to schedule an evaluation. You will gain so much knowledge about how your baby moves just from that evaluation and get your questions answered. You don't know if that's right for you, you can always check the pinned comment and schedule an online parent consultation with me where we can talk more about what to expect with this milestone of crawling down the stairs, red flags to look out for, and whether pediatric physical therapy in person is something that you might want to look into. Now, if your baby is 17 to 18 months and they are not yet independently crawling down the stairs, that is when I would look at getting an evaluation in, just to rule out and make sure that there isn't something orthopedic with their muscles, tightness, weakness, holding them back that couldn't be solved with a little bit of help, and make sure that there is nothing else going on. Now, you can also utilize this video to practice the skill yourself with your child, and you might find that with just a little bit of intentional practice with crawling down the stairs with your support, that your baby is able to pick it up quickly. One of the biggest things that you want to keep in mind with crawling down the stairs or crawling up the stairs is safety. When you are working with your baby crawling up and down the stairs, you want to make sure they're obviously supervised, but you also want to be mindful of where your body is in relation to the stairs. When babies are crawling up the stairs, it's best for you to be behind them, so you're between the bottom of the stairs and your child. When they are crawling down the stairs, you want to make sure that they do this task feet first and that you are between them and the bottom of the stairs. You want to basically always be between the baby's feet and the bottom of the stairs. Is that the funnest down toy? Okay, we're gonna come down. We gotta go down backwards. Boop, boop, boop. This way. Scooch. Good work. And then down. So ideally they're on their knees. No, thank you. You know you want to come down. Down, down, down. And then you reach one foot back. And then, yeah, I know that's hurt. When they're learning, sometimes it's easier to just hold them, put them into a line, so they get used to the going down backwards part. Otherwise, it's hard because their hands are too far. So we gotta get those hands. Actually, I want those hands here. Push down. Okay, we're gonna go get it. Okay, we gotta crawl down backwards. Doot, doot. Now we got puppies. Whoosh. Jump. And then reach. Good reaching. Yeah, put that foot down. There you go. Good work. Bring those arms down. Yeah, you hear the puppy? It's okay. Hands down. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. Yeah, we're learning. There we go. Good job. Good job. Shh. There we go. Good job. So the biggest part is when you put them on their knees, then you're only working about half of the skill, but you're working on the hardest half. And then as they get used to going down backwards, they'll naturally bring their arms down more, then they'll be able to get on their knees before they reach backwards. So we're kind of breaking it up because we're just learning. Okay. Good job. Let's start here. Gotta reach, girl. What happened to those legs? What happened to those legs? We're gonna reach down. Yeah, we're gonna go get it. We're gonna reach. I know. It's counterintuitive. So much easier to go up than down. I think from a cognitive standpoint, it's hard to learn that because you want to be able to use your eyes. You want to see what this motion is. Okay. Weight shift and then reach. Good work. Okay, you come down. Good job. Hands gotta stay forward though. There you go. Push, push, reach. Reach, reach, reach. There you go. This one's turn. Good work. Yep, hands down. There you go. Yeah, you gotta get that leg out. Okay. Reach, reach, reach. Reach, reach, reach. Go, go, go. Your turn. You move. There you go. Nice work. You do that one by yourself. Nice job. And that's a wrap, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know that curious parents and proactive parents make the best parents. You are taking time out of your busy schedule to help your baby learn how to move better. And I can't thank you enough. And I know your little one can't be more grateful for you taking the time to learn these skills. Now, if you do have questions, make sure you check that pinned comment so you can schedule an online parent consultation with me and we can get all of those questions answered. If you find that your baby is really struggling with going down the stairs, there is one exercise that would make a huge difference for your child. That exercise is called tall kneeling. I'm gonna link that video up here. So make sure to watch that and make sure your baby has enough hip strength to be able to stop on each stair and climb down the next one. It will also help with upper extremity strength and core strength to make sure that all of the building block pieces of this activity are there so that a baby is able to put it all together in order to safely crawl down the stairs.